In this Blender tutorial, I will show you how to create a rectangle that has even sized bevels or curves on the edges. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. One of the problems if you bevel an object that is not equal in size is that you get if I go into front view, you get a difference of bevel, and there isn't an easy way around this without doing some kind of editing. So you either got to create your rectangle and then change the vertex position, or the easiest way is actually start with an equal sized object, something like this cube, and then come over to the little wrench with modifier properties and then select add modifier and then bevel, and basically you can change this figure next to the amount for the required bevel that you want. If you want to bevel your rectangle, or you can increase the segment number to give yourself sort of curved edges on a cube. And then if you just use this drop down here and select apply, you'll end up with a cube that is being equally beveled or curved on the edges. And all I would do is just go into edit mode by pressing tab, then hit Z, and then select wireframe, and let's say I want to go front view. Place your pointer near where you want to change something, hold down your left mouse button, draw a box over one side, and we'll just use this move button here, and then drag this out, and as you can see everything stayed the same. And if I went, say, numpad 3 and went into the right hand view, I could do the same here and drag this out. So what I would do is probably set a rectangle up so that I can match the sort of size up, but that's giving you a rough idea of one way of doing it. And then if you come back into object mode, the only other thing you might want to do is reset the origin. You do this up here, object, set origin, and go to geometry. This will put your origin back in the middle. And then if you hold down Control followed by S, you can use selection to cursor, and that'll reset everything to the middle. And I'll just shade this smooth, and this way you end up with something that looks like a suitcase, and all your edges should be equal. That's probably the easiest way to bevel simple objects equally, is to start with the original shape and then alter the sides, top and bottom, as required. Hopefully that's helped someone. Thank you for watching. Cheers.